Welcome! If you're looking to keep your most important files within easy reach, storing them in Google Drive is a simple and effective solution. Today, I'll walk you through the quick steps to add a file to your Starred section using the Google Drive app, so you can organize and access your key documents faster than ever. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Once you're in, browse through your files and locate the one you want to star. This could be anything: an important document, a favorite photo, or a folder you use every day. When you've found the file, look to the right of its name. You'll see 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots to open a list of actions you can take with that file. From the menu that appears, tap on Add to Starred. That's it. You've now marked this file as important, and it will instantly appear in your Starred section for quick access whenever you need it. To view all your Starred files, simply tap the menu icon in the app and select Starred. Here, you'll find every file and folder you've marked, all in one convenient place. This feature is perfect for keeping your workspace organized, especially if you juggle multiple projects or want to separate your most used files from the rest. If you ever want to remove a file from Starred, just repeat these steps. Tap the 3 dots next to the file and select Remove from Starred. Your file will stay safe in Drive, but it'll no longer appear in your Starred list. Using the Starred feature is an easy way to streamline your workflow and make sure your most important files are always just a tap away. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more tips for mastering Google Drive and boosting your productivity.